Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's session is SAP Warehouse Management, short form call it as WM. Before going to session, like and share my video. If you have any doubt or query, feel free to comment. See this video fully, then only you know end to end process. As of now, I have done 24 videos in SAP topics. Links are given in the description. Please go through that, watch the videos, whichever topics you required. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new updates. Today agenda is organization structure of warehouse, creation of warehouse number, assign warehouse number to plant and storage location. Organization structure of warehouse, warehouse number, storage type, storage section, picking area, storage bin, quants. These are the organization structure of warehouse. Let's see one by one. What is warehouse? Warehouse is an important part of an organizational unit that is used to store the physical material like raw material, semi-finished goods, finished goods, scraps, tools, etc. What is storage type? A storage type is defined as the physical or logical divisions of the entire warehouse where we are storing the goods. It consists of the area, facility or zone of the warehouse. Example, bulk storage, open storage, high rack storage, self storages. What is storage location? Storage section. Storage section are standard subdivision of the storage types and can be used flexibly for many purposes. A storage section such is commonly used to group material based upon common characteristics. What is picking area? A picking area is a section within a storage type in which all picking activities are carried out in the same way. The picking area groups storage bins together from the viewpoint of picking strategies. What is storage bin? A storage type generally contains several storage spaces or slots. These are called as a storage bin. The storage bins is the smallest available unit of the space in a warehouse. What is quant? The content of the storage bin is called a quant. A quant is therefore a material quantity in a storage bin. The criteria for quant splitting are material number, the storage type and stock type, special stock assignment, plant and storage location, and batch number. Let's see practically. For creation of warehouse number, you go to T code SP RO reference IMG enterprise structure definition, click on logistics execution. Here define copy delete check warehouse number. Click here. Here we can create a warehouse number in two methods. One is for define warehouse number. You can create a new entries or copy from standard 0001 warehouse. So another one is you directly copy from the standard one, then you create the new warehouse. So first I will go to define warehouse number, new entries, given warehouse is I will give warehouse number KW1, warehouse name 0154, warehouse, sender, save. You give select the company. OK, given the OK for customize pop-up request. Now warehouse number was created. Now we want copy the standard warehouse number details from the which is available already in system. So you copy, delete, check warehouse number. Here you having copy option. You click the copy. Standard warehouse number is 001. To warehouse number, our new warehouse number is KW1. Given. Anyways, do you ask, do you really want the transport number ranges? You should give a no. This is for, they asked for copy the number ranges from standard one. So you give the number ranges for our side. So it will give no. The tables are copied from standard warehouse number 001 to our new warehouse. Now the warehouse number 001 copied to KW1. Here you see the complete activities. Warehouse number is copied. We want check, click warehouse number. If we got one more table, SE 16N T30, given plant KUP1, here storage location K001. Execute. Here no values found came, there is no warehouse number as of now. So I will already created the warehouse number. Now I will go to assign the warehouse number to plant and storage location. In this case, you go to enterprise sector, definition, enterprise sector, assignment, logistics execution, assign warehouse number to plant and storage location. Click here. Here he has many storage types available. So, click on plant. Our plant is KUP1. Storage location 001. Warehouse number KW1. Same plant. Storage location 002. KW1. KUP1 plant. Storage location 203. Warehouse number KW1. Now we are given plant 2 KUP2 001. Same warehouse number KW1. KUP2 002 storage location KW1. KUP2 203 KW1. Now that all the plant and storage location we assigned to our new warehouse number. Now save the data. Okay. Now we go to see the same table now. KUP1 storage location is 001. Now I will execute. Here the storage location and plant KUP1, the warehouse number KW1 available. So these are the method we can create the warehouse, new warehouse number and it is assigned to plant and storage location. Hope this video is helpful to you. Like and share my video. Feel free to comment if you have any doubt or query. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.